the bad guys. We're going to go over how to draw Mr. Snake. Cool character, very cool design, easy to do, by the way. So if you're brand new at drawing, you're completely brand new and you're like, what do I do? You're gonna do this, okay? Because it's super simple and it's only about 8 minutes, okay? Stay to the very end of the video and you're gonna have a brand new skill pretty much. You're gonna be able to commit this guy to your memory if you watch the whole thing. So let's jump in. Okay, so let's get into drawing Mr. Snake. Alright. Over here. Oops, it is. So, right over here, I'm going to go over here and pull a line for the nose, front of the nose. Curve. Gonna go pull underneath. And we're going to have the tongue come out, right? The snake's tongue. Line over here. Line right here. Teeth. One tooth. One tooth. Curve underneath here. Alright. And I'm going to pull up over here for the side of the cheek. I'll pull up. Side of the cheek over here as well. Curve. Curve. Nostril. Nostril. It's more like a comma for the most part. Now let's start by drawing one eye, alright? So I'm going to draw a line right here. Curve around here. That's the bottom of one eye. Gonna go over here, same thing, curve underneath, curve. And now we're gonna draw some big eyebrows. Bam. Over here, bam. Alright. Right on. And Mr. Snake. Let me pull that line in there. You could also throw, I guess I could throw a line up here. Out over here. Wiggly line. Line up. Down. Line up. Down. And draw a line over here for this side of his head. Alright. Go over here to his eye right here. So he's got the, it's just like a circle shape right there for one eye and a circle for the other. And draw a line over here, line over here. Try to make the highlights kind of as close as you can to each other because then it won't look cross-eyed. It won't look as cross-eyed. Line across here for the hat and then up here, down here. Alright. So we got his face. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull out back for the body. Down. Line over here. Line over here. And down. Downward over here. Up. Okay. Alright, we're doing alright. Fix that line a little bit there. I'm gonna pull a collar out, down, in, up. Over here, out, down, collar, up. And continue drawing a line downward here. Drawing a line here. Circle over here. Line down here. I'm going to draw a straight line across here for the snake belly. These thin lines, make them thin, okay? Because you want it to be thin so that it doesn't overwhelm like the rest of the drawing. Let's draw a thin line here on the top, around the corner here. to kind of give it a decent look there. And now we're gonna go into just details. So let's draw like a line across here for something on the hat there. Make it draw a curved line here, curved line here. Line over here. Curve, curve. Down over here around the corner. Line over here. Line over here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm kind of putting a thick line on the outer border of the silhouette. And the reason I want to do that is I like the look of it. It makes the details on the inside look better. makes everything look more complex, right? And it just kind of gives it a little bit more life, and it's a good style thing. If you ever want to kind of do that with any drawing, you can do that. Just make the outer line thicker. Try that out. It doesn't mean it's gonna fix everything, but it could help the look of something if you did make a big mistake. Now let's go over here and draw the tail. I mean on the back here. So we have another one. Bam! Right here. Right there. Just to have like a tail back there, right? Like he goes out and comes back in. So it kind of shows that, you know, like his full body, that he's a snake. He's not just some skinny dude or something. I'm gonna draw that a little bit thicker. And maybe I'll put like a thicker line here because it does come in front. Nothing too wild there. Alright, that's pretty much it. I think so. I think that's it. Well, let me check around here. I guess you can throw another thin line here for the underbelly of the snake as it's going away. You draw thin lines across here, and that's going to, you know, make that a little bit better there too. Right on. And yeah, that solves that. I want to thank you very much. Please comment and say hi. Say hi to me pretty much if you can hear my voice right now. Also, hit that like button if you like the bad guys. I'm really curious who likes the bad guys here and not just drawing a cool snake. And that's pretty much it. Later. Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.